Hello, friends. Today is a very special day. Today is Mother's Day, and I'd like to wish each and every beautiful mother out there a very happy Mother's Day. May you remain beautiful, kind, and passionate. And for the children, I'm sure you're feeling very lucky because all this time you did not know the most beautiful woman in your life up close and personally. So you must be thinking that this lockdown is a blessing of sorts because you were studying, you were rushing in and out of school and college, and this most beautiful woman in your life was just there, but you didn't know much about her. This is the time to know more about your mother. Get to know her personally. She has so many beautiful things inside her. I'm sure it'll be a kind of enriching learning for you if you get to know your mother personally. Get to know what she likes, what she dislikes, what's her hobby, what's her favorite color, what does she love to eat. All these things are beautiful things that you can think of knowing about your mother. Now, we always say one thing, that because God could not be on earth, that is why he sent mothers. And I think that's very true because a mother, when she has a child, if you notice, she doesn't want anything from the child. You know what she wants? She wants that child to be the most wonderful human being on earth. And that is all she wants. She wants her child to be successful, but that success comes from being a good human being. That's all she wants. She prays from the moment you are born, my dear friends, my dear young friends, the moment you're born, that is what she keeps praying for. That is what she keeps saying to God. Make my child a good human being. You know what? I'll tell you the other thing. A mother has many roles to play. She will play a lot of roles in your life. But let me tell you that she is actually your best friend. She is your BFF. Best friend forever. You can divulge your worst stories to her, your worst stories, and she will still be your mother. She will never shun you. She will always say, okay, let's find a solution for this. Let's tackle the problem head on. Let's tackle the problem one at a time. And she will not shun you. She will stand by you. She will stand by you in your difficult times, and she will stand by you in your best times. She will stand up for you when you're there successful, you're standing on stage and you've got an award. She will be the one who's going to have her tears of joy running down her cheeks because she's your mother. And you know what? When you are asked, who is your first teacher in your life? The first teacher in your life is your mother. She is the one who holds your hands, takes you places, shows you things, teaches you so many. The smallest of the smallest things in your life are learned with your mom, with your mother, with your ma, with your amma. And she does this without any restraint because she wants her child to be competent on this earth, so that when her child goes out, meets people, he or she is a person with a lot of knowledge. She will teach you the smallest of things. She is your first teacher. Just love her with all your heart. Love and respect her with all your heart. Because that is all she wants. She wants that hug. She wants that adulation. She wants you to go hug her. That is all she wants. She's not asking anything from you. She is not expecting anything from you. A mother is so beautiful that she doesn't expect anything apart from a little attention and a little bit of love from her child. That is all she wants. And I'm sure the children that I'm speaking to are wonderful human beings. They do exactly that. But if you see some child who is not taking care of his or her mother, please tell him or her this, that a mother is special. She is God's angel on earth. Please remind this. Now tell me the other thing. What else is the mother good at? The mother is, apart from being your best friend forever, apart from being your teacher, your mother is also your first girlfriend. I say this for both boys and girls because your mother spends the maximum time with you when you were young, of course. She takes you out to the restaurant, she takes you to the park, you have all these memories. She had taken you to all these places, these special places, and you grew up with her, seeing all this around you. You learned all these things. She is your first girlfriend. Remember this. I'm saying this for both boys and girls. And then the other thing that the mother is, she's a mentor. She's a motivator. She is an inspiration for you. Take all that. She will keep telling you, suppose you are good in music. She will support you in those things. She will support you with in the present situation. Like my son loves music. He loves playing the guitar. So I try to send him videos. I try to send him new lessons which are on social media or the YouTube or something like that. I know he loves music. He's crazy about music. Similarly, I'm sure your mother, if you love reading, I'm sure she must be getting you to read, getting you new books, getting you books on Kindle. I'm sure she must be doing that. Mothers are beautiful. They are the most beautiful creation on earth. I remember when I did not have a child, I was almost in tears. I said, how is this possible that a woman who loves children so much is not going to have a child? But then my son was born, and I feel I'm so blessed. I feel it's such a big gift to me. And that is what a mother wants. When she gets married, when a woman gets married, all she says is that the biggest gift in my life is when I become a mother. That is such a beautiful thing to say. When we say that, yes, the most beautiful gift, the most beautiful blessing in life is to become a mother. And for the young people, what do you do with your mother? Today and every day of your life, go hug her, go kiss her, and tell her that she's the best mom in the world. There is absolutely nobody like her. She's superb, she's supreme, she's the most beautiful species that God has created for you. I will leave you with that thought. Have a very wonderful Mother's Day with your mother. Give her all the love, the respect, and adulation that she deserves. She deserves much more. She's a mother. She loves you too. Thank you.